Hello, good morning to you all. Today I'll show you how you can create a second account or a brand new account in the Musically app. So this is my Musically app and I have already logged into this account. So this is my profile page, and when I go to settings I can find here the logout symbol. So I'm just clicking on the logout so that I can get logout. So once you log out, you'll again get an option called create an account. So once you click on create account, it will ask for whether to create with Facebook, Instagram, or with email. So I have chosen with the email. So for more, for some of them who just log out, the create option won't be showed. So in that case, you need to do one thing. So just go to your settings. uh, you need to clear the data of the Musically app. So go to app info, and you should clear the data and clear the cache. Means if you didn't find the create option, you can do that, but now I am directly can see the create option. So click on create account, then email address. So give the before giving the email address, choose the date of birth. But remember, there may be age consideration when creating the Musically app, because if you are too younger, Musically may say you are not eligible for this Musically app or the program. So you can just make sure that you're older enough to have this. For 1991, in the sense I almost have 27 26 years, so I can successfully start my creation. So next, you need to give your email ID. So click on continue. So choose a password for the, so once you enter the password, you can click on create the account. So you can have the full name here. Continue. You can take your picture or you can skip it. Just now I'll skip this one, and I'll also skip this step also. Here at top right corner, skip and skip. See here, I have now created my secondary account. Means I already have a first account, so I have logged out, and I again clicked on create new account, and I have created just within a minute. So you can go to your email and click on the confirmation link, which is sent by the Musically app. So in that way, your sign up process or the login process for this will be completed. I hope you like this. Okay, make sure to check in both the primary or the social or the updates or the promotion folders in the Gmail, so that in one of these you will have this uh, confirmation link sent to your Gmail. I hope you like this, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.